everyone, I am Payal here and I'm going to make super healthy, tasty, delicious moong dal sandwiches. And the speciality of this sandwich is that it does not have bread in it at all. So let's start and begin the process. For the stuffing we require 1 cup grated paneer, 2 small capsicum chopped, 1 big onion chopped, 1 cup boiled sweet corn, coriander chopped, and for the batter I have taken the overnight soaked moong dal which I have made the batter already. This is the moong dal batter which I have made. Now I am going to prepare the batter for the sandwiches. This is the moong dal which I have grated in the mixer. In this I am going to add little bit of salt according to your taste, some red chili powder. I am taking half teaspoon of red chili powder, little bit of haldi, and ENO, 1 tablespoon of ENO. Now stir the batter properly. There should be no lumps of the ENO in the batter, and your batter is ready. The batter is ready. Now we will let it rest for 10 minutes. Until then we will make the stuffing. In the stuffing we will take 1 cup grated paneer, one big onion chopped, 2 small capsicums, 1 cup sweet corn boiled, little bit of coriander. In this we will add little bit of salt, green chilies chopped, black pepper powder, half teaspoon, and mix the mixture well. Mix the batter well, mix the stuffing well, and your stuffing is ready now. This is the batter and this is the stuffing. Both the things are ready. Now we will come to the preparation of the sandwiches. Now this is the toaster which we are going to use to make the sandwiches, and it is used on the gas. Now first we will brush the toaster with some oil from both the sides. Now I am going to apply the batter on it, a thin layer of the batter to be spread on all the four sides you need to spread the batter. Now I'm going to add the stuffing to it. Again I'm going to add the batter on it, a thin layer. Now I'm going to toast this sandwich. Cover the lid. Now on this medium flame, we are going to toast the sandwich for 2 to 3 minutes from one side, and from the other side also 2 to 3 minutes. Now turn the sandwich on the other side. Let it toast for 2 to 3 minutes on the medium flame. We will check it in the middle. See, it's turning golden brown. From the other side also we will check it. Just for 1 more minute from both the sides and your sandwich is done. The sandwich is ready. Now let's serve it. We will cut the sandwich now. See, it's done totally crispy. See, the sandwich is cooked. Now we will garnish this dish with some cheese. I have this grated cheese with me. And some coriander leaf. Here is the tasty and healthy moong dal sandwiches which are ready to eat. Thanks to Febina and Rajasthani Namkeens for giving me this opportunity to make such a healthy dish for everyone. Thank you. And please like and share my video. Thank you.